In the heart of the peaceful sanctuary, a young student monk named Jiro faced a profound internal struggle, one that many of us might recognize in our own lives. Jiro approached his wise master one day, determined to leave the temple due to the negative atmosphere created by gossip among the monks.
Master, I wish to leave this temple.
The constant negativity here clouds my mind and spirit.
Why, Jiro? What troubles you so deeply?
People speak ill of each other, even of you and me. I cannot focus on my spiritual practice amidst such darkness.
The master listened with understanding and proposed a simple yet enlightening task.
Take this spoon and walk around the temple 3 times without spilling a single drop. Succeed, and you may leave.
Jiro accepted the challenge, his entire being concentrated on not spilling the water. He walked with unwavering focus, the world around him fading away.
Master, I did it! Now let me leave the temple.
Tell me, Jiro, while you walked, did you hear anyone speak negatively?
No, Master. I was fully focused and heard nothing.
My dear student, when you focus entirely on your goals, the negative chatter becomes just noise, irrelevant to your purpose. Wherever you go, there will be negativity, but if you concentrate on your path, it will not sway you.
Jiro understood that his peace and happiness were his to cultivate, regardless of his surroundings. He decided to stay and focus on his spiritual practice, learning that true peace comes from within. This tale from the temple teaches us a valuable lesson about focus and the power we have over our perceptions. In life, as in Jiro's journey, we can choose to tune out the noise and focus on what truly matters. Remember, wherever you are, focus on your path and let the noise of negativity pass by like the wind. Until next time, stay focused, stay inspired. Thank you for joining us on this journey of wisdom and reflection. If you found value in the story we shared today, please give this video a like, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel.